What is up guys? कैसे हो आप लोग? I just traveled from Goa from the KTM 390 adventure launch and now I have reached the Thar desert. I am here just a few kilometers ahead of Jaisalmer near the some sand dunes area. I am participating in the ride and learn session that is organized by Triumph India, which is a sand training session. So the plan is that we will be riding our Tigers, learning to handle that machine on the sand, on the desert, which is, by the way, one of the most trickiest terrains. My bike was shipped from my place directly to this location. We are staying at one of those typical resorts that you get in the desert area. I just did the registration for this ride and learn session. Some forms that I had to sign. It could be a dangerous activity. Let's see how it goes. So fingers crossed, a lot to learn. Mr. Vijay Parmar from Explore Earth will be leading this ride. Let me just show you the bikes here. All the bikes are parked here. You can see the Tigers. This is our Tiger, which was shipped from Delhi in all good condition. There is a Coway here, and then there is a KTM 450 XC. These motorcycles, obviously, with these aggressive off-road tires, are gonna fare well in the sand, but I think we have to start looking beyond the tires, the spec sheets, the type of tread on the tire, and essentially focus on learning some skills. It is day one of this sand training ride. Today will be focused more towards understanding the basics of sand riding. A lot of people have already assembled outside this desert camp that we are staying in. I hope we are able to be a little better after this ride on sand. We are just going through this track that has been created just to understand what each one's level is. Tire pressure is being lowered. कितने पे हो रहा है tire pressure low?
1820.
1820.
We are too much in awe of the fact that it's sand. Now let's start bringing that down. This is basically mud right now. When we are riding in sand, our riding position is extremely important. And if you are not comfortable standing initially, you can even do it sitting. Even in the Dakar, half the Dakar is done sitting down.
This guy is with the Tiger 1200 heavy machine. Let's see how it goes. Vijay sir was advising us that we should start from the second gear. That is what is recommended. So we are going to do some circles, huh? Okay.
Left elbow higher.
Now all of us are heading to a sandy trail, a proper trail. This was a controlled environment. The initial drill was mostly to get everyone just used to the basics of sand riding. Every section of the trail will have different amount of sand, and that will be a challenge in itself. So this is the area, I believe. Yeah, let's see how it goes from here. This is like a normal trail right now. Have to be a little careful. The surface is changing a little. Oh, this has become a little scary. Front is going like this. Okay. Okay. Went into the wrong side, and there is definitely some sand here. Keep it loose, keep it loose, keep it loose, keep it loose, keep it loose. I have to remind myself. Oh. All good? Second gear is what they have said we have to be, and start with throttle to move ahead. First gear mein the tire digs in, so just don't taste the line, and I'm keeping my weight at the back. Grip the tank. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. That was a little confidence inspiring, I must say, guys. For me, I really hate sand. Remember, always start from the second gear, otherwise you will dig into stuff. यार इसमें तो मज़ा है यार. एक तो आई फील के आई टेंड टू लूजन द ग्रिप ऑन द बाइक विद माई लेग्स. वो ऐसा लगता है कि थोड़ी देर बाद वो उतना टाइट नहीं पकड़ा हुआ जैसे आप कह रहे थे.
Like a virgin, ना? Keep your virginity.
हाँ, बिल्कुल टाइट. आई एम टॉकिंग टू माई सेल्फ. टाइट पकड़, टाइट पकड़.
ऐसे उठाने चाहिए दिल्ली जाते जाते.
ये पूरा वेयर एंड टेयर प्रॉपर. ये तो हम कर लेते हैं. समर स्प्रिंट आ गई. समर स्प्रिंट. Another sandy section that we are getting into. Let's see. Shamar Desert Camp. Go, let him go, let him go. Weight on the back, knees tight. The whole lower body needs to be connected, bro. I'm not teaching you guys, I'm just trying to learn myself. Oh, this is a bad section. Oh. I just touched the front gear unnecessarily. That's bad. Constant throttle. Hands are just too tight, man. Hands are just too tight. These bad pushes are here. Second gear, push that thing. Stand up, bro. Keep on going. This might seem flattened out on the GoPro, but this is a bad rut. वो लेफ्ट साइड पे बुशेस आ रही थी. आई वाज रिमेम्बरिंग कि वो कांटे वाली हैं, कौन सी वाली हैं. आई वाज ट्राइंग टू फिगर देम आउट कि उसमें जाना ही नहीं जाना. So this is the type of terrain we are doing. This is like a lot of sand, lot of ruts, lot of sand. It is definitely not easy for someone who is trying it for the first time. It is easier said than done. Holding the bike tight with your knees, keeping your hands loose, all that is gyan. To put it into practice requires some time out here, not in the textbooks. कितने गिरे थे पीछे? सैंड के बीच में तो सैंड है काफी. हाँ काफी है. लड़कियाँ गिरी हुई हैं. Oh my God. Oh. This is a struggle, man. Oh. No. Don't sit. Keep on moving. Go. Out of this, man. Oh. Stand up, you bastard. Otherwise you will get stuck. Oh. This requires some pedaling, at least at my level. Look forward. The hands are too tight. Hands are too tight. Oh, that was a tricky patch, man. Freaking don't change the lane. You change the lane, change the rut. Stay in second, wait behind. Keep on going forward. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, 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 wow. Oh, almost at a standstill. Fuck you. Get on this fucking thing. मजा है मजा। वो जहां पे भी गलती से एक बार डर के मारे बैठ जाता है बंदा तो वहीं सिंक हो जाती है पूरी बाइक। उसके बाद पैडल पैडल करके निकली है यूं यूं करके।
उधर जाओ, गिर गया।
ये क्या था? वो बंद कर दो आगे से इग्निशन। और ये आपका शीशा आज बचेगा नहीं बचेगा?
देखने के लिए आ रहे हैं।
एक बार दिखाएं जरा कितनी हैवी, एक बार ट्राई। बहुत यहाँ पे तो उठाना भी बहुत मुश्किल होगा ना एक्चुअली। एक सेकंड, एक सेकंड। यहाँ तो वो भी नहीं मिलता ना पुश, ये भी तो प्रॉब्लम है। ट्राई करते हैं। ये ऑफ कहाँ से होती है? अच्छा अच्छा, ऐसे ऐसे। अच्छा, मेरे को पुश बटन ढूंढ रहा था। यो बेबी, लेट्स गो बेबी। Not sure what line I have taken. Oh, fuck you, fuck you. That was bad. I just banged into one of those. Oh, yeah. Oh, this is craziness, man. Look ahead, look ahead, look ahead. Oh, this डालियां निकल रही हैं। ओ भैन दी तुहाडी। The shrubs on the left side, that is what Vijay sir was advising us. सीधे आके बजती हैं if you are not prepared for that impact. One of them hit me so hard. चला पैम तेरी। Oh, oh. It's fun. Oi! What the fuck? Okay. Keep on the throttle, man. Keep on the throttle. Summer Sprint is here. Yo, baby. Co 450. Oh, fuck. Too many stones being thrown by the KTM 450 XC. That was crazy bad. Oh, this is a flat section. Oh yeah, they are just blinding me. I can't see. Oh wow. Lovely. Crazy good. Man, I can't see anything. I think you guys won't be able to see anything. I am the last one now. Oh fuck, you are throwing up so many stones, man. Oh wow, beautiful. And the camels. ऊट 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 आ गया. This is what I wanted to do, man. This is so infectious. And we hit the road now again. Beautiful. Oh wow, 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 wow. मजा आ गया, मजा आ गया. I am relatively happy with the type of riding I managed to do for the first sand ride on the Tiger 900 Rally Pro. Switch off this fuck all display from Kapu Ride. भाई मजा आ गया यार. What speeds were you at?
In the gravel.
हाँ, in the gravel. Last वाला hard pack gravel आया था.
GPS is 109.
109. तूने कितनी करी थी? मैंने तो ध्यान देने की हिम्मत ही नहीं हो रही थी. मैंने कहा चलाओ. हाँ, विजिबिलिटी भी खत्म हो रही थी ना. These guys were just spewing up. वो जो डस्ट सारी उड़ रही थी, दिख ही नहीं रहा था.
Speedo, it will show 6 more. It will show 115.
Okay.
But actually, it's true is GPS.
How was it, man? How was it?
Awesome.
How was it, man? You have to tell us. You had the most adventurous ride.
I think I may need to change my starter motor first.
क्यों? अच्छा, it was not starting up.
Yeah, it started.
Because I had to
It
start
had
the
to
bike
start
like
many
probably 100 times.
Yeah, you don't have the mess of cleaning up anything.
No,
हमारी
absolutely
देखो,
not. नहीं.
हमारी देखो कैसी गंदी हो गई है. Like it's gone really bad. And yours is like spanking new.
That's the beauty of shaft drive. Like.
Sharp drive, man. Yeah. Your helmet is also Aero Commander 2, क्या?
Yes, sir.
I also recently bought it.
Yes.
This is what you call as trail hunting, actual trail hunting. We are trying to find a sandy trail to satiate our appetite of learning how to ride on sand. The morning session was good. Let's see how this one goes. Beautiful view right in front of me. We're getting into a trail again. Some sandy patches. Lovely. This is the type of trail you love. No. Change direction unnecessarily. That was a bad move. Oh, the rut is getting deeper and deeper. Look ahead, man, look ahead. Wow. Beauty. Change in terrain. You get some gravel. Okay, that's the terrain. maintain that constant throttle, keep going. Don't copy anyone, just be at your own pace. The idea is to ride, not race. Oh, the bush is beautiful. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. No, 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 no. चल 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 ब्यूटीफुल ब्यूटीफुल गो 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 Oh my God! Oh my! Oh ho 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 ho! This is a struggle, man. Oh, no 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 no! Don't sit! Don't sit! Don't sit! Keep on moving! Keep on moving! Oh yeah! What a sunset, yaar. Beautiful location. Thoroughly enjoyed it, man. This was really tough stuff for me inside the ruts, and I was just trying to pedal out as much as I could. The idea was not to get stuck. You can just judge from my heart rate right now. This is a massive workout for me already. वाह थोड़ी 2-5 मिनट तो सर रेस्ट करने दो बच्चे को 5 मिनट अभी एक नींबू तो पीनो मत पिया ना हेलमेट प्लीज अभी और सैंड है क्या आगे भाई आई वाज थिंकिंग 1200 का क्या होता है इधर स्टफ यार यू वर इन दिस कार अच्छा यू वर सीइंग मी स्ट्रगल और व्हाट ओके ओके
और हंस रहा था
हाउ वाज इट लुकिंग like a pig stuck in कीचड़
like a fountain like for chocolate fondue
riding like a pig I was getting this feeling कि अब मेरे को इस सेम रूट को टाइगर 1200 पे करने का दिल कर रहा है मेरा दिल कर रहा है I want to see मतलब क्या होता है सुबह वाले में ना we were doing a section and we were exiting doing a section exiting इसमें this was continuous I think at least for 30 minutes it was continuous मुझे ऐसा लगा मेरे लिए तो 30 minutes से ज़्यादा है ना
We did 20 kilometers and most of the kilometers
थकान हो गई
I lost track of time अकेले यार
अकेले नहीं कर सकते यार
चाहे मैं 4 लोगों के ग्रुप में भी आ जाऊँ ना अपने दोस्तों में we will look at each other's face अब करना क्या है यार उठानी क्या है